What's up, it's your boy Young Mo, just giving y'all another sneak peek because I can't release it yet. Not sure if I'm going to get other people on it. Still going to fix some of the audio and stuff like that. Haven't got my actual software for the computer yet, so that's another reason I haven't really been releasing shit or really making shit. But just a little something, some of the stuff that I've been going through and whatever. It's called This Is The End, look forward, coming soon. Alright, tell me what you guys think about it, what you hear in the background.
More music, 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 more
From the end, where the chemistry go? Used to talk every night, used to write to each other like, hold me please. Girl, you made me believe. When it was dark, I could still see.
The light bombs in you. You changed my life.
Shit, man, I called him a wife. Had big dreams for you, baby, huge plans for you, lady. To make you mine, I will cut myself. Fuck that other nigga, he ain't good for you. I'm in love with a ghost. I think I'd rather marry me the Poe. Cause these women ain't patient, that was greatness and waiting. But you messed it all up, but I did shit too. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little fucked up. All I wanna do nowadays is get fucked up. But I don't wanna feel love, cause it's fake to me now. Know these hating niggas wanna be my friend now. All I wanna do, never stack green with the team and be a bachelor, like Charlie Sheen. But every time I call up another, I be like, forget every other. Got me going through this girl's looking for your twin. I mean, she might be killed, but she don't really match. Why do I look for you? I am obsessed with you. I cannot deal with this, but I am sick of this. Sorry I entered the stage where I cannot forget you. Why now? Maybe we should stop talking. I don't wanna be that nigga that keeps stalking you. Is that an answer? Please don't tell me, girl, that this is the end on that chemistry. All the shit that we did, all the things that we talked about, all that love that we made over the phone. Don't let it go. Don't let it go.